Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting what matters in place, then record. First, find a small, quiet room and treat hard surfaces with blankets or cushions to cut reflections. This helps your voice sound focused. Next, position a cardioid mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth, add a pop filter, and angle slightly off-axis to avoid plosives. Finally, open your recorder or DAW, choose 24-bit and 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and set input so peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB. Once your setup is ready, focus on performance and consistency. You should warm up for 3 to 5 minutes with lip trills and tongue twisters to loosen vocal tension, because flexibility improves clarity and pitch. Then rehearse the script aloud, marking breaths and phrasing. Inhale low and steady so your exhalations carry full phrases. When recording, do 2 to 4 clean takes per sentence or line, save each full take, and resist over-editing now. This gives you material to comp for the best performance. To finish, move into cleanup and delivery decisions that shape a professional track. Start with subtractive EQ, roll off below 80 to 100 Hz, attenuate boxy mid-frequencies, and gently boost presence around 3 to 6 kHz. Use light compression to control dynamics without squashing emotion. Normalize to about -3 dB and export WAV at 24-bit, 48 kHz. If you hear sibilance, apply a de-esser or move the mic. If room echo persists,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.